We now calculate d using this formula, that is d equals 10 log I over I naught, and I naught equals 10 power minus 2, and I is given as 8.2 times 10 power 2 watts per square meter. So let's calculate d by plugging in these two values. So we get d equals 10 times of log of, replace I by 8.2 times 10 square, and this is over I naught is 10 power minus 12. Let's evaluate this. So this equals 10 times of log of, now we can simplify this exponents. That is, we have 10 raised to the power of 2 divided by 10 raised to the power of negative 12. So according to the law of exponents, we have to subtract the powers. Since we have the base 10, that is a common base is 10. So I write 10 raised to the power of 2, this number, minus of this number. This is negative 12. So minus 12, or else this becomes plus 12. So I can write this as 2 plus 12, and so this gives 10 raised to the power of 14. So we have simplified this quantity. I'm going to write down here. So it is 8.2 times 10 raised to the power of 14. Now let's simplify and then calculate. So this equals 10 times of, I can put a bracket, and I'm going to apply the log property, that is the product property of logarithms. That is, if we have log to the log of AB, which is a product here, and this can be written as log A plus log B. We say that this is some property of the logarithm or the product property. So now considering this 8.2 as A, and 10 raised to the power of 14 as b. So it is in the form of product of two numbers, 8.2 and 10 power 14. So this can be written as a log of a, which is log of 8.2, plus log of b, which is log of 10 raised to the power of 14. Let's simplify this inside the expressions. So I put 10 times of log of 8.2, plus now use the power rule of logarithm, and when you do that, this 14 comes in front. So therefore this becomes 14 times of log to the log of 10. Notice that log 10, this basically equals log 10 to the base 10, and so the value of this equals 1, because we know that log a to the base a equals 1. So using this rule, we say that log of a number to the same base equals 1. So therefore, I can say that this equals 1. Now I'm going to distribute this 10 inside now. So it becomes 10 times of log of 8.2, plus here we have 14 times of 1 is basically 14. So when you multiply 14 with this 10, we get 140. Now all that we do is we put this expression into the calculator, that is determine log of 8.2 and multiply by 10, and then add with 140. And when we do that, we approximately get 149.138 decibels. And this is rounded to 3 decimal places. So we see that the jet plane emits 149.138 decibels.